Hi! Kumusta? Welcome sa Untitled, ang safe space kung saan pwede kang makinig, magpahinga, at baka makahanap ng konting comfort sa gitna ng araw-araw. Ako si Clover, and I'm really glad na nandito ka ulit. At kung first time mo naman dito, welcome! Sana dito ka makahanap ng space kung saan pwede kang huminga kahit sandali. Ngayong episode, I just wanna say this upfront. You are not late. You are not behind. You're just on your own pace. And that's okay. Kasi sa totoo lang, minsan kailangan lang natin marinig yun, di ba? Yung assurance na hindi mo kailangan sabayan lahat. Hindi mo kailangan makipag-unahan. Ngayon, let's talk about that feeling. Yung parang ang bagal mo, tapos pagod ka na. Yung parang lahat umaasenso, tas ikaw, stuck pa rin. Well, guess what? You are not stuck. You're just still growing. And let's be honest, ang dali ma-feel na late ka na. You scroll online and see people your age buying cars, getting promoted, getting married. Habang ikaw, eto, nasa survival mode pa rin. Pero ito ang gusto kong maalala mo. People post their milestones, not their process. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. And that's unfair, lalo na sa sarili mo. Para sa student na iniisip kung kaya pa, you're not behind just because you fail one exam, hindi ka nakapag-submit ng requirements, or may bagsak kang grades. You are learning and that's a part of the process. Para sa mga young professional na pagod na sa trabaho, you are not wasting your time. You're building consistency, discipline, and grit. The things that don't show up sa resume pero bumubuo sa karakter mo. And for parents na feeling na pag-iwanan na ng panahon, you are not late. You're raising a life. You're doing your best and that's more than enough right now. Minsan, ang pressure hindi naman galing sa iba. Galing yan sa sarili mo. You look at where you are and say, dapat ganito na ako by now. But let me ask you, saan ba nanggagaling yung timeline na yun? Sino ba nagsabing late ka na? You are not in a race. Walang finish line sa life. Ang meron lang growth. And that looks different for everyone. Sabi nga sa Little Women, just because my dreams are different doesn't mean they're less important. So stop rushing your timeline just to match someone else's. Sometimes, delay is protection. Minsan hindi ka pa binibigay sa next chapter kasi may kailangan ka pang matutunan sa ngayon. Maybe that rejection wasn't a dead end after all. Maybe it was redirection. Hindi mo lang nakikita pa, pero you're being built for something bigger. Every closed door, every almost, every hindi pa ngayon, lahat yun may purpose. You're not behind. You're being prepared. Okay, let's get real for a second. Even if you're not there yet, you still have to show up. Walang magic moment na biglang magbabago ang lahat. It's the small choices you make every day that build your future. You wake up, you show up, kahit minsan wala kang gana. Kasi that's how progress works. Slow but steady. Remember what Ed Sheeran said? Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. So stop saying wala pa ako sa goal ko. Instead, say I'm on my way. You are not late, but you can't stay lazy either. Hindi excuse ang nasa tamang phase ako para hindi ka na gumalaw. Keep moving. Keep growing. Keep doing the work. Hindi mo kailangan sumabay sa iba. Ang kailangan mo ay magpatuloy. Kasi kahit mabagal, basta dire-diretso, aabot ka pa rin. And ngayon, try asking yourself, Am I really behind or am I just being impatient? You're allowed to slow down, but don't ever stop. You are allowed to rest, but don't quit. You are allowed to take your time, but don't waste it. I want to remind you that you are not late. You're on time for your own story. Thank you for staying with me hanggang sa dulo. Sana kahit papaano na-remind ka na hindi mo kailangan sabayan ng lahat. You are not behind, okay? You're just taking your time. Ako si Clover, and this is my gentle reminder. You are not lost. You're learning. You're not stuck. You're growing. And you are not late. You're just in your own season. Ingat ka palagi, and please don't rush yourself. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Untitled.